The Italian way. Buongiorno.
Who's there?
It's a me, Leonardo.
Come on in.
Okay, okay.
Daniel, how are you feeling? Look at the big nose. It's got even bigger.
Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
가성페이트 표시등이 꺼질 때까지 자리에서 기다려주시고 선반을 여실 때는
Yeah, cashew pepe is fantastic. So you like cashew is a typical cheese.
It's 10 o'clock and packed. The Italians eat late. Can we get this one?
Okay.
Cashew and pepper.
One?
One?
Yeah?
Pizza.
Napoli.
Pizza Napoli.
One.
This is Roma.
Cacio e pepe. It's cheese and black pepper. What is this outside? Is this, maybe this is cheese?
밖에도 먹는 거야?
Are you supposed to eat the outside?
Oh, you are asking me? 근데 이거 스푼이 없나 봐. 먹어봐도 돼?
스푼 없이 먹을 수 있어. You're so Korean. There's nothing left. I don't even know if we were supposed to eat the outer cover, but we did.
I'm impressed. Can you check out how the Italians are eating their pizza right now?
Everyone's eating with the fork.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's be civil. Or is this just a pee?
이거 세수하는 건가 봐.
You don't wash your face there, no way.
First course today in Rome is the Vatican City.
Vatican City.
Yes, we are doing a Korean tour.
Can I get a cafe? They gave me espresso. That's why we walked out with espresso.
Okay.
So I don't think there is like Americano in Rome.
Okay. And cheers to our first tour here.
This is the first time I do one of these group tours.
And it's gonna be in Korean, so.
For your mom.
You cannot need that.
Alright, we're at the Vatican Museum. We got our chains on, getting educated. Katie, which one is this one?
We will hear from our guys soon.
We ain't paying attention.
Guessing how tall that little sculpture would be.
어머니,
Take in.
어땠어요?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Surprise.
Surprise. Katie, how about you? How was it?
Spectacular.
Spectacular? It all came to life. AP history, y'all. AP history! Woohoo! Uh-huh.
You got a pigeon.
You gotta... You block it?
아니야, 어떻게 알았지? Block it.
Oh, and then you drink from there.
엄마 이거 마셔볼래?
안 해.
This is how you drink the
Oh,
Roman water.
yeah, but how does it taste?
Spanish steps.
Rome piggy?
Excuse me.
Spanish 계단이라고 로마의 휴일에 나온 명장면 있어요. How much is it?
뜨거워, 뜨거워.
쌍밤. You're a lucky boy.
그래? 쌈밥은 우리 있는 거야?
행운이잖아.
와 여기 봐봐. 장난 아니다.
Your mom keeps giving me chestnuts even though I want ice cream. My mouth is getting drier and drier on a hot day.
Daniel, throw the coin so that we can come back to Rome.
What do you wish for?
Wish for a good health and prosperity.
What are you, 50 years old?
Who's there?
Buongiorno, buongiorno.
Oh, buongiorno. Is
Buongiorno.
that Daniel?
Yes, yes, please open the door.
Okay, come on in.
All the restaurants are closed.
Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised. It's so quiet suddenly.
Yeah. Katie, you're bigger than the car. 짬뽕 왔습니다. So guys, in Italy, I love all the greenery around the entrances of the houses. Like
Ah, yes.
2 cafe and 1 cappuccino.
Okay. This looks so sweet, but it's not that sweet. It's really nice. How is it, Danielle?
Delicious. I love Italy. Alright guys, y'all know Gladiator, but y'all know Ben-Hur. This is the Colosseum right here, and we're gonna go inside.
Salve.
What's Salve?
Hello.
Oh, okay.
I'm being so greedy. I have pizza on one
Yeah,
hand.
you're
and
greedy.
pasta.
Katie, where do you think we are?
I don't know. I'm just following the crowd. I think there's something famous over there.
Guys, we ended up in a basilica. Let's take a look at that. Amazing. Guys, what you're seeing now is a sculpture made by Michelangelo. It's called the Illumination of Moses. Katie, where are we off to now?
We're in Termini station. Now we're off to Firenze.
Firenze, that's
right.
Florence.
I'm really curious. Why does it say kiss and ride?
Mwah, thank you for picking me up. Dang, half Gucci, half orthopedic shoe.